Hey, are you tired of not knowing where to start investing? I'm here today to dive into one of the hottest topics in the investment world, the best dividend stocks to buy. If you're looking to build a steady stream of income or grow your wealth over time, sticking around could be one of your best decisions this year. First off, what exactly are dividend stocks? Well, these are shares of companies that pay out a portion of their earnings to shareholders regularly, usually in the form of cash. Think of it as getting a little thank you note from the company, but instead of words, it's cash. Now, not all dividend stocks are created equal. Some offer stability with regular income, while others could lead you down a road filled with financial potholes. So, how do you spot the champions from the chumps? Let's break it down. Key number 1, look for sustainability. A company that has a long track record of paying dividends is more likely to continue doing so. Stability in dividend payments often signals a stable business model and healthy financials. Next up, consider the payout ratio. This is the percentage of earnings a company pays to shareholders as dividends. Ideally, you want this to be sustainable. Too high could mean the company is stretching itself thin. Too low might suggest you're not getting a good yield on your investment. Now let's talk growth potential. Companies that not only pay regular dividends but also have potential for earnings growth are the golden eggs. These companies can increase their dividend payouts over time, which could lead to higher returns for you as an investor. Here are a few dividend stocks that are making waves in 2024. This dividend list is a great place to find top dividend stocks. Dividend kings are companies that have paid and raised their base dividends for at least 50 consecutive years. The dividend achievers, 10+ straight years of dividend increases, is a trademarked property owned by the Nasdaq and another great list to research. Both lists include some great stocks to buy, and we have included a few from each in our list below. Here are 3 top dividend stocks to consider buying now. Lowe's ticker, Low Home Improvement Giant. Lowe's may not seem like a very exciting stock, and that's true, unless you like dividend growth. The company has raised its dividend almost every year since going public in 1961, and has raised the payout by 511% since 2014 alone. However, investors worried about the housing downturn that began in the second half of 2022 shouldn't fret. When the housing supply is tight, making homes harder to buy, people tend to spend more to upgrade their existing homes. So the cyclical weakness in its results is likely to return to growth over the long term. Another important factor that's good for Lowe's is that the typical U.S. home is between 31 and 60 years old, depending on the state. The next generation of DIYers will spend a lot of money at Lowe's, as will home improvement contractors. It's made professionals a priority, and sales to contractors are growing. Realty income ticker. Oh, if you're looking for a simple way to invest in high-quality real estate for income and growth, Realty Income, O-0.71%, might be the perfect stock. The company owns an array of largely e-commerce resistant properties, earning strong cash flows from tenants on long-term leases. Realty Income is also a dividend achiever, with 29 consecutive years of dividend increases every year since going public in 1994, and 55 straight years of paying a dividend every month. It has increased the payout a mind-boggling 125 times. This best-of-breed real estate investment trust, REIT, has also taken steps to continue delivering on its dividend-growing ways. In early 2024, it closed the $9.3 billion acquisition of Spirit Realty Capital, which it said would immediately add 2.5% to its adjusted funds from operations, FFO. Chevron ticker, CVX Oil is back. Oil stocks have roared back to the forefront in the past few years. Energy has been one of the best performing sectors since the COVID-19 pandemic, and Chevron, CVX 0.4%, has been a big winner for investors. For years, Chevron has been a pretty solid stock to own, especially for dividend investors, generating strong cash flows and growing the payouts modestly every year for over 35 years. The stock price can fluctuate with oil prices, but owning Chevron has proven a profitable investment for dividend seekers over the long term. Its late 2023 deal to acquire HES, HES 0.04%, means significantly more low-cost onshore oil in the Permian Basin and some of the cheapest offshore oil currently being produced. However, a legal challenge by competitor ExxonMobil, XOM -0.4%, could delay the deal's closing until 2025. Remember, while these stocks are currently top-rated, the key to a successful investment strategy is continuous research and staying updated with market trends. Also, don't just take my word for it. make sure to consult with a financial advisor to tailor your investment choices to your personal financial situation and goals. Investing in dividend stocks can be a fantastic way to build passive income and secure your financial future. By choosing wisely and staying informed, you could be setting yourself up for a richer tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep investing smart and keep aiming high.